how do I make my aura better in
Better.
life? Yeah.
Yeah. So there are several ways. One is a commonly known fact is meditation.
Okay.
So meditation is one way. When you meditate, your aura becomes bigger. And there are some meditation like we teach, twin arts meditation, that makes your aura like, normally research says that the aura is around 5 inches in healthy person. Okay. Not like camera to camera standards change because they are looking at different parameter. But what we do in pranic healing scanning, the aura is about 5 inches, 4 5 inches. Normal person, healthy person living a normal life. Now imagine your aura becomes 1 meter from there. Okay. But I'm just again clarifying. It's not about it because there are some cameras, their parameters are different. So they will say 1 meter is normal, example. But I'm talking about the energy perspective when we don't use the instrument, but we use hand to scan the energy.
Okay.
So 1 meter. Now imagine it goes to 7 8 meters. What will happen? And then second factor comes is what is inside the aura. Now that is more important factor than bigger aura.
Okay.
If your aura is big but filled with not so good energy, you will, the moment people come in your aura, they will get inspired by that energy. So you'll find your aura is big but filled with irritation. People will come near you and they'll feel irritated and they will act you in irritation and they'll create situations which are irritable.
So you might attract good things,
Or
but
bad
then it
things
might
also.
okay, and bad things also.
Bad things also.
Because
Because what is inside the aura?
okay.
The story of Lord Buddha, he says that whenever he would walk, or Lord Mahavir, when they are walking through the, let's say, jungle se ja rahe ho log, even the wild animals
अब
look
वो
feel calm.
काम, हाँ.
Why? Because there is a calmness in that energy, and their aura was like kilometers, right? When your aura is big, but what is inside it matters the most. So first, aura should be clean, and then second, it should be bigger. So bigger aura helps in you don't get contaminated easily by the external things. आप लोगों से मिलोगे, हैंडशेक करोगे, लोगों से मिलेंगे, सब चीज़ें होगी, पर इससे कंटैमिनेशन नहीं होगा उतना. दैट इज़ वन बेनिफिट. So when your aura is clean, when people come in that aura, they'll feel better. They will not feel that. Sometimes some people, their aura is vibrating, good, clean, but they're restless. So when people come around them, then they feel also restless लगता है कि नहीं कुछ तो मिसिंग है, कुछ तो करना है. They don't feel calm because they're restless. So हमारे एनर्जी बॉडी में है क्या, ये मैटर करता है. So meditation has cleaning and energizing both effects.
Okay.
Another is salt and water bath. When you take bath with salt. Salt has to be there.
रोज लेना है.
Rose. It keeps your aura clean.
कितना डालना है और?
Okay, so what do you do? No, पानी भी नहीं डालना है. That is another thing.
Okay.
Okay, this is practical technique. And there are thousands of people who messaged us, like this is amazing. We just did for 15 days. Our pains disappeared. I feel better. I was feeling stressed that I don't feel that much stressed, etc. Life में stress है, काम है, सब कुछ है, but मुझे वैसे feel नहीं होता. Now I'm able to deal it with in a better way. So what do? You take the regular shower, everything normally. You apply soap, everything, and you wash it off. After that, you apply salt on the body. So before you go for a shower, आप साथ में एक पूरा bowl जिसमें हम सब्जी लेते normally. Okay, is महाराष्ट्र में वाटी. Yeah, पूरा भर के लेके जाना है. Then now your body is wet because आपने अभी soap wash off किया है. तो आप पूरे शरीर पर will apply salt. Okay, all over the body, everywhere, wherever you can, wherever your hand reaches, पैरों से तलवों, पैरों के तलवों से लेकर forehead तक, everywhere. Then you wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you wash it off. That's it. Very simple thing. Now what happens? Salt has a property that it disintegrates the diseased energy or dirty energy or low vibrational energy, which is not good for you.
Okay.
So it's like, imagine like highway example. It disintegrates the trucks. So road is clean. The other good energy can now move faster in your system.
So मैं रोज लिटरली इससे क्लीन कर सकती हूँ
Yeah.
aura.
I would suggest like to the listeners, just do it once first. And then decide whether to do it or not. No blind belief. Just कि नहीं अच्छा होगा, let's do it. Do it even once and you will see the change. Do it for 8 days, you will never stop.
Wow.
You do it for 8 days straight and you will see that. Then I would recommend stop it. Don't do it. Because you need to validate. No. So you go back to the old way. Let's take the regular shower. Then you will notice, no, there is a change. People, those who meet, just to validate कि सच में लोगों से मिलने से मेरे एनर्जी में बदलाव होता है क्या? Very good exam, very good test validation. Those who are in a job where they meet a lot of people, handshake with a lot of people, or hug with a lot of people. Job in nature of job ऐसा है कि they meet a lot of people. When you go home in the evening, take salt water bath. One salt water bath, and your quality of your sleep will change in just one bath. one bath, and quality of sleep will change. Like you will sleep like, okay, I did not sleep like this in days or weeks, and I am able to sleep now properly. अच्छे से नींद आएगा. So that is what will happen. So that is another technique. So first was meditation. Second is this. Third is do some kind of pranayama or breathing exercises. Do breathing exercise which where we use abdomen. When you inhale, abdomen should come out. When you exhale, abdomen should go in. Because if you look at our lungs, don't have capacity to expand horizontally. Lungs cannot expand at their own. Our diaphragm pushes the lungs. So when you inhale, your abdomen comes out, your diaphragm goes down. Your lungs expand to maximum level. Now people think lungs absorb only oxygen, so no. Why pneuma word they use associated with the lungs? Because it also absorbs energy. So when you inhale, there is energy in the air. That energy is also absorbed by the lungs. And that's why it's vital. It's not just about oxygen. That's
It's
why
like a force, like a prana.
prana is
Yeah,
force.
forget
The prana is the
energy.
Sanskrit term, energy. So if that is not there, what you are absorbing is in limited quantity. But when you do abdominal breathing, you absorb maximum amount of prana, and your aura becomes bigger again.
Okay.
So that is faster technique, easier technique. Even if somebody just sits, do deep breathing, inhale, abdomen comes out, then hold and exhale, and air comes out, abdomen goes in, diaphragm comes up. Just do it few breathing cycles, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Wait for 2-3 hours, again do it. Repeat it several times in a day, and you will see that your energy level is better than like any other day. And the day when you practice this breathing, we call it abdominal breathing, there'll be big change. Okay. There are many other breathing techniques which we teach in the classes, but for that you need to better understanding of energy and all. So we will learn more about it. But as of now, this much can practice. So these three things. So if these three things anybody can do, doesn't take much. Person can just go out and walk barefoot. That helps. Barefoot,
Grounding.
ground.
Yeah.
So ground has a lot of energy. Earth has a lot of energy. But we live in high towers nowadays. तो अब क्या होता है, हमें ग्राउंड से जो एनर्जी मिलना चाहिए मिलता नहीं, तो स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होती है. You look at like my grandmother, she's 75 and she's so strong. Like my son, who is now around must be 18 kg. She lifts him. Okay, very normally, it's like easily. Their bones and muscles are really strong. Why? Because they worked in fields. फार्म में काम किया है, खेत में काम किया है. सो दे हैव लॉट ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी जो हमें नहीं मिलता है. हम लोग फ्लोर्स पे रहते हैं, हाई राइज पे रहते हैं, तो जहाँ फर्टाइल ग्राउंड है वहाँ चलना, एनर्जी विल बूस्ट. और जस्ट लाई डाउन देयर, absorb energy, your energy will be really good. Rest under a tree, that increases your energy level. And this used to happen earlier when we would walk. Normally, मैं जब पला बड़ा buses नहीं थी, तो we would walk for 17-18 kilometers. You walk and go to the next town. तो आप बीच बीच में रुकोगे, पेड़ के नीचे आराम करोगे. And designated trees by the ancestors. So मुझे लगता था now government has made that bus stop. Why don't we rest there? It's covered proper, and but there was no bus, but bus stop was there. Okay. So why we rest under a tree? And my mother would always say नहीं, यहाँ पर हमारे पुरख बड़े लोग कहते थे कि इस पेड़ के नीचे आराम करनी. So they would give names to the trees just for the sake of people remember. ये राम वाला है, ये सीता वाला पेड़ है, ऐसे कुछ तो भी नाम, some names so that people remember यहाँ पे आपको रेस्ट करना है. And you rest there, you recharge, and then you walk again.
Yeah.
So that helps. Absorbing energy from the ground. So these things are doable, practical, and instant energy boost. You don't have to wait for कि नहीं एक महीना करने के बाद मुझे change दिखेगा क्या. No, you do it once and you will see there is a change.
Okay.
It is that practical.
एंड ये जो जैसे क्लेंजिंग का आपने बोला कि आपको ये सॉल्ट वाटर बाथ या जो भी है वो रोज करना है.
Rose.
सो ये रोज आपको अगर ये चीजें रोज कर सकते हो मेडिटेशन
Whatever you can do the more frequently is good.
यू.
Yeah. So even if you do once in a while, why? Because हम उसे टेस्ट कर सकते हैं practically कि is it working or not.
Okay.
But once it is working, you have to do it regularly. Like earlier in Europe, they wouldn't take shower every day. It was concept in the East. But when French flu came, they realized, okay, no, we should take shower every day. But हमारे लिए वो रोज का था पहले से. So certain things we learn after going through tough time, right? But you have to try. Is it helping or not? So if you see कि अरे इसी से मुझे salt से बात लेना, I can do it. 2-3 minutes will be added to my regular shower, and it is helping me. Why not? Then do it regularly, because we take shower every day because हमें शरीर के ऊपर से dirt निकालना है. But what about energy body? उसका dirt कैसे निकलेगा? उसमें से जो एनर्जी है, कंटेमिनेशन है, ये कैसे निकलेगा? So you need some way, just like we take the take care of the physical body, we have to take care of the energy body also. And these are the ways through which you can take.